Okay, I'm about to try Sculpted by Aimee's new EasyBrow 2-in-1 tinted brow gel. And I just know this is gonna be good. We've got a nice spoolie on this side, the tinted fiber gel on this side. To start, let's get the brows into the shape that I want them by brushing them up with the spoolie. Now I'm using the brow gel to create the shape and add some volume, and I'm just doing a little upward strokes. Close that up and then go back to the spoolie to just set the hairs into the shape I want. I absolutely love how that has just enhanced my brow shape very naturally. It's given me that like fluffy lifted brow that I love compared to what we started with over here. I love. So let's match her up.